Alright, today we're going to be unboxing the AEM cold air intake for the 2013 Plus Genesis Coupe. And this is for the 3.8. There's the product number 21730C. Let's open it up. Alright. So you open the box, you get the, what is that, the license plate. You get your booklets with your stickers. This is just a strip. There's your clamps. Now let's see the inside. Okay, this is your scoop for the air to move from the intake. There's the piping, and you can see the sensor sits right here. There's your air filter, brand new AEM air filter. Crap. This is AEM. And then here's the piece. This one sits in the engine bay. Now this is the cover. So this one goes into the intake or to the front of the engine or the hood scoop. And this sits literally like that. Facing downwards there like that. Just like that. Filter sits right here and the intake goes right above. And anything else in here? So that's the intake. So this scoop goes into the hood vent. So that one goes down there to connect to that. And that's your piping. There's a slot for the sensor. You have your, they didn't give no hose though, so you have to reuse the hoses. Yeah, and that's about it. That's everything the cold air intake comes for. Now this works on every 2013 3.8 or 2013 to 16 Genesis Coupe 3.8. Let's open this. Yeah, let's open this one up. See how it looks like. So that's it. Damn, that's shiny. It's like gunmetal color. Literally, that's it. That's literally the cold air, just a little pipe. This is what they charge you like $500 for. So that's the piping. This is it. And then you can put the AEM stickers on the piping, the one right here. You can see that one? Yeah, that one goes on this. Anyways, we'll be making an install video as well, so keep a heads up. Anyways, thanks for watching.